Hey guys, it's Steph. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm sharing how to start a successful YouTube channel or how to make your channel more successful. And I'm not trying to say that my channel is like successful because it literally is not. But I've been on YouTube for a really long time, so I know a thing or two about YouTube. Before we start, I just want to say this is a collab with Maggie. You guys should all go check out her channel. The link will be down below and you guys all need to go subscribe to her. And if you're coming from Maggie's channel or you just have never seen my face before, please subscribe down below because I'm trying to get to 3K and I really appreciate it. So help a girl out. That is pretty much all I have to say in the intro, and let's just hop right in the video. So the first thing I have to tell you guys is just to start off with your phone. If you haven't started a channel yet, there's no need to go out and buy an expensive camera. If you do have a camera already, great, use that obviously, but if you do not, I recommend just using a phone because phones these days have really good cameras. The reason I'm saying not to buy an expensive camera is because you don't even know if you're gonna like YouTube. You could start YouTube and buy like a $600 camera and end up not liking YouTube, which is a complete waste of your money because you're not gonna do anything with that camera. And then going along with that, you can also just like edit on your phone as well. I know if you have an iPhone, you can use iMovie. And then as far as a tripod, you can literally just stack a bunch of stuff up. When it is time to get a camera, you should just get one with a flip out screen. If you are gonna get one, I think that is the best thing ever because I can literally see myself right there. And it's so helpful because I know I'm in focus at all times. Sometimes I like to be blind and like to not put myself in focus, but like most of the time we're good, so. And then I also really like having a camera with autofocus. I don't know, it's just nice to have. So the second thing you need to know to have a successful channel is just to know what type of music to use. Don't use copyright stuff at all. YouTube is being stupid and likes to copyright every single video of mine. So there's a ton of non-copyright songs on YouTube. Just search up like chill aesthetic copyright free music and you will get a wide variety of stuff. The only thing I will say is that if you are gonna use a copyrighted song, only use like 2 seconds of it, like dead ass, like I'm not kidding. Because YouTube likes to go after you and copyright everything, so be careful. So now I'm gonna move on to some ways to actually grow your channel because once you have your channel looking good, you're gonna need a way to grow your channel. So my first suggestion is just to upload consistently because if you don't upload consistently, the one time that you do upload, like if you upload like once a month, people are gonna be like, wait, who is this girl? Like I don't know her, like unsubscribe, see you later. And that's just not a great way to grow your channel. So I think uploading at least once a week is good. I upload twice a week. It's kind of a struggle. YouTube grind doesn't stop, ladies and gentlemen, so it's okay. Also, I recommend commenting on other people's channels. Don't do those annoying, like, I'm a small YouTuber, like, check out my channel, like, anyone want to shout out to each other's channels? Because that's annoying. You can just comment something like, nice video, love the editing, you're so pretty, like some cringy That is also a great way to grow your channel, because I know personally when I'm watching a video and I'm scrolling through the comments, if someone writes like a nice comment, I'll be like, hey, like, are they a YouTuber? And like, check them out. People start to see you on like a lot of big YouTubers channels, like commenting and stuff, or just like any YouTubers channels. They'll be like, hey, this girl comments a lot, let me check her out, and let me hit that subscribe button, by the way, hey. And my last tip to grow your channel is just to follow the trends going on. So if the ugly location photo shoot challenge is trending, maybe do that video. Because people are going to start to look that video up, and your video is going to pop up, and then people are gonna scroll on over to your channel and hit that big red subscribe button like you guys should all do right now. So yeah, those are just some ways that I use to grow my channel. So now I'm gonna tell you guys how to actually look professional. I would recommend having a profile picture of your face because if you have a profile picture and you're literally like all the way back here, like I can't see your face and I'm probably not gonna think you're a YouTuber. I just think it's better to have a picture of your face because it's just easier to see and I get to see all of your facials. I don't know, just do it, please. Oh, the lighting sucks. The second way you can make your channel look professional is to have a thumbnail theme. I've gone through a ton of thumbnail themes. I've gone through like yellow aesthetic retro. I've gone through like yellow, pink, and blue. I've gone through like a little color scheme thing. I've gone through so many different thumbnail themes and I currently just do like black and white text, but I always make sure it's in the same font, has a drop shadow, the lighting's got really orange. I think having every thumbnail look kind of similar is really nice because your subscribers will like look in their subscription box and be like, hey, that's Steph's video just by looking at the thumbnail. Next, I recommend having a good channel banner. Oh my god, I have made a solid 35 plus channel banners in my lifetime. because I can never decide on one that I like. And then the last thing you can do to look professional is to have other social media accounts. I will get more into that later, but just have other social medias. So now I'm going to move on to how to promote your channel. So I recommend, as I just said, having some other social medias such as Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. But I personally use Instagram the most. If you post a new video, you should post something on your story like, hey guys, check out the new video, like a link in bio, like swipe up, like all that stuff. Because it'll make them, if they see it, hopefully go like directly like skirt on over to your video. And when you are making these social media accounts, I would recommend to make the username very similar to your YouTube username. So for me, I chose Steph Oliver because that's my name as my YouTube username. And then my social medias are all like stepholiveryt. And then another way to not promote your channel is do not do those freaking self-advertising like, I'm a small YouTuber, check out your channel. Like, stop please. Like I hate those so much. So that is pretty much how I like to promote my videos. So. And then in order to be successful, you have to do YouTube for the right reasons, so don't do it for money because it's gonna take you a while to make money. I've been on YouTube for 4 years and I don't have any money. Okay, don't do it for money because people will see straight through that little transparent little body of yours and see that you're doing it for money, so don't do that. Next, I recommend having a niche. I don't know if it's niche or niche. I don't know, but it pretty much just means a little category your videos are going to be in. So either choose like gaming or choose like comedy and do skits, or choose like lifestyle and do what I do, or do like beauty and do like makeup and be James Charles and just like do all that fun stuff. Because people are going to subscribe to see one type of videos, and most likely if you do skip around like different like subcategories for your videos, you're not going to get as many views because some people are going to subscribe for gaming and some are going to subscribe for fashion and some are going to subscribe for beauty. And then my next tip is just to be active with your subscribers. So along with this little category goes like uploading consistently, posting on Instagram, posting on your Instagram story. If you have a Snapchat, posting your Snapchat, Snapchat your subscribers. Answer your DM to your subscribers. If you don't, that's kind of rude. Unless it's just like, go check out my channel, I'm a small YouTuber, like I really like the feedback, because I'm not answering that, sorry. This video is so real, I'm just getting all my feelings out. So the ways that I like to be active with my subscribers, I like to reply to comments. I think it's so rude when you don't, so I heart every single comment unless it's a, I'm a small YouTuber, check out my channel, like I love the love, like support each other, like sub for sub, because I'm not answering that. But if it is a nice comment, at least give it a heart. It takes literally 1.5 seconds out of your day. Just click on a little heart and it'll make them feel good, or reply and say like thank you. And then as I said, I like to interact on Instagram. And the next thing you need to do to be successful is to have a good flippin' title. So if your title, alright, let's say you're making a video about like a vlog. I'm not gonna title it drinking water. Like, no one's gonna click on that. Speaking of water, I'm thirsty. But just make sure you have a fun and fresh title. Don't make it clickbait because no one likes clickbait unless it's like a funny clickbait. I like to be a hashtag unoriginal basic queen and just copy other people's titles. So let's say for this video, how to be a successful YouTuber, I will look up how to be a successful YouTuber on YouTube, and the #1 title, I will copy that and maybe like add or take away a few words. And the last tip I have to be successful is just to collab with people. This is a great way to boost up your channel views and subscribers, because collabs are literally just telling someone go watch their videos, which is obviously gonna give you views, and if you make a good video, they're gonna subscribe. So the light is getting blue. Everything is blue. So that is all I have to say in this video. I hope that these tips help you guys out and help you become a successful YouTuber. Hashtag learning. Because these are the tips that I use to help boost up my channel, get those views back up, get those subscribers back up. Because in the summer, I did not gain any subscribers, and it was very tragic. So if you guys are coming from Maggie's channel, subscribe to my channel, and also go check out her channel if you are from my channel, and yeah. And thumbs up this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, girlies. I'm not this annoying. I literally, just whenever I film videos at this time of the day, like right after I eat lunch, I'm off the walls. I'm just freaking thriving in my element. Bye. Ooh, yeah.